Hey, what's up? It's Damien and Jake. This is how you fix an Xbox, alright? See the Xbox down there? Can you see it? I don't know, you see that now? Yeah. This is how you fix it. Alright, Jake, start it off. This is how you fix it. Woo! Can I start it off real quick? Alright. See that little hole that you put in it? That was mean, huh? Here. Woo! Oh, see all that smoke coming out? Smoke. See that smoke? I don't want to be mean. This is horrible. I hear I'm so sorry. Yeah. Yeah! Retard! I said retard. I'm sorry. This is called the ninja. What's that, Jake? Look at that. You see that? Look at the other side. You don't even see anything. You see that? We're going to beat the other side now. Welcome, Jake. My turn. Yeah. This guy right here, he's talking about Damien's mom, alright? Oh, touchdown! One hand grab. Kiss it, kiss it! This is what I think about Xbox, man. Let me get it, okay? We're gonna put it now with it. Hi, guys! Oh, yeah, that's pretty crazy. People getting off the bus. It's okay. Start it. I don't think it's gonna work. I'm gonna plug it in and see if it works. Yeah, it's for Xbox. PS3, woo! You gotta go pick up the trash. I'm picking up the trash, picking up the trash. Picking up the trash. How to fix your Xbox. Okay? That's how you fix a beautiful... That's how you get it when it has the ring of death, alright? It's beautiful. See that board? Yeah, see that? Let's see how far we can go with it. Let's go exploring. Wait. What? You want to clean up it a little bit, Jake? Screw you. Let's throw it in there. Jake, you should clean up that a little bit. I'm gonna go exploring. It's so fun! finish. Let's not do that. Just put it in that stick when it grabs it. I hope you're sorry, really quick. We're gonna go exploring. Hey, Roger. Amy's gonna clean up the back floor. Anybody want this? You want this? No. It's on a tester. You ever wanted like that? Yeah, I wonder what's inside the Xbox. Oh, have you? Oh, it looks like it has strings. Okay, I'm gonna beat it more until I look. I'm gonna put this closer. You see every little thing that's happening. Look for that. Yeah, what's happening? Yes, Xbox has the one of that. You just did it there, man. That's how you fix the Xbox 360, guys. Two more minutes, we gotta end this. Ooh. Look at what's inside the Xbox. Man, wrong side. Look at what's on the Xbox. Look at this piece inside of here. I got dirty. Look at this! What is this? This is called HDR. Jake, you didn't do anything to hurt you. It says something about your mama. Oh yeah. Xboxes are fun. Once you get some boring games you don't want to play anymore, you need... There's a screw! Screw. Remember the screw thing in the beginning of the screw? Well... Come on. We're gonna have to end this. This is Damien. And... Jake! Yay! Want to see the Xbox? Jake, put the Xbox to the... Come on, bring it up here. That's how you fix the Xbox 360. Beautiful. Brand new. Alright. Deuces!